Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning how to wedge clay. Why do we wedge clay? Well, it is simple. You want to get rid of any kind of air bubbles or things like that that might be in your clay. Also, if you've had clay that's been maybe sitting for a little while, it could have lumps in it that are harder than the rest of your clay and just cause centering problems and things like that. Even if you're using clay right out of the bag, I always I always wedge my clay no matter what, just to make sure that I have a successful throwing session. It's frustrating enough without having lumps or bubbles in my clay, so I always wedge my clay. It's a drag, but it's just one of those things that is so important that we do.
So the way I like to wedge my clay is called Ramshead wedging. And it gets difficult when you get up to, gosh, probably over 3 pounds. So what I do is I will wedge it in smaller increments. And then as I center it on my wheel, I just center a piece, stack on another one, center that one, stack on another one. And that's just how I do it. You can do it however you like. I am terrible at spiral wedging. So we're using the ram's head. So we're just going to smack those ears in, push it away from you. You can see there was a bubble right there. And you will see them come out as you go. And it's called ram's head wedging because it kind of looks like the head of a ram. And then on the side, if you're doing it right, you'll see it sort of coil up. And so that is ram's head wedging. I just smack the ears in a little bit. And then when I get to the end, you'll see I have this little lip of sort of layers, and I just sort of blend them in just by pushing down. And then I'll just roll and then slam it down. And then if I have little cracks, not cracks, but little lines like so from the wedging, I just sort of smooth those over. I don't know if you need to, but I just feel better doing that. And I'll sort of smooth this into a ball if I have little things sticking out or whatever. And that's how I do it. And then I'll center that and then take my next blob and center it right on top. That's how I do it. Hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.